Hey everyone, I closed on my house today, so I'm just gonna do an empty house tour with you. Okay, so it's a townhouse I bought. This is the bedroom downstairs. It's like a studio. It has its own entrance. So this is just like the small living space. And the bathroom, sorry. The bathroom isn't too fancy downstairs. It is a accessibility unit for disabled people. So if I use it as a commercial space, it's readily available for disabled. Okay, gonna take you upstairs now. Right. These are my stairs that leads to the main floor. This is my kitchen. Turn on the light. So we have quartz countertops, like dishwasher, cabinets, gas stove. Everybody raves about a gas stove, so I was lucky to have one. I love these cupboards because they open out like this. There's a lazy Susan in here, but oops, let me close it back. So cool. There's no wasting of space. See? This is my refrigerator. This is my dining room and living room area. It's pretty big. Nothing much to see here. Let's head up. I have carpeted stairs. I hate carpeted surfaces, so sometime in the future I'm sure this carpet will be discarded. What I love about this place are the high ceilings. And here I can look down into the kitchen. This is my utility room where I can hook up my washer and dryer. Where are the keys? Sorry, the lights. This is my bathroom. My bathroom is a little bit small, but it's cool. See? My stub. And the floors are heated in the bathroom. So if it's cold outside, I can get up and use the bathroom. This is my bedroom. Nice size bedroom. I would have loved a walk-in closet, but I had to settle for this. It has a decent amount of space that I can use. Going upstairs again. This is my den area. See? Small room that leads to outside. I love this because I have both covered and uncovered space. and I have a view. Try to aim my camera up so that, you know, but ooh, it's beautiful. See, in the summer I'll be spending a lot of time here.